Navigating the world of freight logistics as a trucker or fleet operator can be challenging, especially when you're constantly searching for profitable loads, building trust with brokers, and trying to keep deadhead miles to a minimum. That's where truckstop.com comes in. Truckstop is one of the most established load boards in North America, providing truckers, carriers, and logistic professionals with access to thousands of available loads every day. More than just a directory, Truckstop offers advanced tools for load searching, pricing insights, document handling, and broker verification, all aimed at helping carriers run smarter and more efficiently. In this video, we're going to highlight TruckStop's most valuable features and explain why it remains one of the top choices for carriers who want to grow their business in today's competitive transportation market. For its key features and benefits, first is the real-time load search. The core function of TruckStop is its robust load board. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access a powerful search engine that lets you filter loads by equipment, type, weight, rate per mile, route length, origin, destination, and time window. This allows you to find loads that fit your schedule and optimize your backhauls. You can save search criteria for routes that you run frequently, set alerts for new postings, and even prioritize loads by brokers you've worked with before. You'll spend less time digging through irrelevant listings and more time booking loads that match your truck, schedule, and revenue goals. This helps minimize deadhead miles and maximize your productivity. Another key feature is the market rate tools and pricing intelligence. TruckStop provides dynamic rate insights based on actual transactions and market trends. This includes average rates by lane, current spot market rates, and rate history over weeks or months. These tools empower you to negotiate better and ensure you're not underselling your services. The RateMate Pro feature, available on higher tier plans, lets you compare your potential haul against what others are getting paid for similar routes in real time. Armed with up-to-date rate intelligence, you're no longer guessing whether a load pays fairly. You'll have data on your side to make better decisions and maintain healthy profit margins. Another key feature is the broker credit scores and risk management. Trust is key in freight logistics, and TruckStop gives you access to broker credit ratings, average days to pay data, and user-generated reviews. You can quickly view a broker's history, communication record, and payment behavior before you book a load. There's even a flagging system that helps you avoid brokers with frequent complaints or slow payments, giving you a greater peace of mind. By booking only with reliable brokers, you reduce financial risk and avoid time consuming disputes. This feature is especially valuable for owner-operators who rely on timely payments to stay cash flow positive. Another key feature is the mobile app for load management on the go. TruckStop's mobile app puts the full power of the load board in your pocket. You can search, filter, and book loads from your phone or tablet. It syncs in real time with your account so you can keep track of your schedule, notes, and documents even while on the road. You can also get push notifications for new load alerts and manage your favorite lanes without needing to stop at a computer. The app ensures you stay connected and productive while on the move. You can react quickly to new load opportunities and manage your business from the cab of your truck or a rest stop. So why is Truckstop a great choice? Truckstop stands out as one of the most trusted and feature-rich load boards in the trucking industry. Whether you're hauling full truck loads, partials, flatbeds, or reefer loads, the platform offers tools that cater to every type of carrier. With competitive rate data, real-time access to loads, mobile capabilities, and risk management tools, Truckstop.com gives you everything you need to stay competitive in 2025. Its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners, while its scalability and advanced features serve growing businesses and fleets as well. No matter your size, you'll find valuable tools to help reduce downtime, increase profits, and operate more strategically. Another reason Truckstop.com continues to dominate the space is its focus on trust and transparency. In an industry where time and payments are critical, having access to verified brokers and performance data helps you avoid unnecessary risks and build long-term business relationships. So basically, truckstop.com isn't just another load board, it's an all-in-one toolkit for professional carriers who want to grow their business and operate more efficiently. With its detailed search filters, rate insights, broker reviews, mobile access, and document tools, it gives you everything needed to succeed in freight logistics. Whether you're a solo driver trying to maximize your earnings or a fleet manager looking to optimize multiple trucks, Truckstop.com helps you make smarter decisions every day. By mastering its features, you can reduce the guesswork, avoid slow paying brokers, and build a steady stream of reliable, high paying freight. So take the time to get familiar with the tools and set up your preferences. It'll pay off with better loads, faster booking, and a more profitable trucking operation in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.